Hello, my wonderful Zoonitoons friends. Welcome back to another roaring fun drawing and coloring video. Today we're diving into the Pride Lands to bring you a beautiful moment. Simba and Nala playing together just like best friends do. And guess what? Timon is right there, super happy, cheering for his lion buddies. Let's start with Simba, the brave lion cub and future king. Watch as I draw his playful pose, his fluffy golden mane, and his cute little paws. Simba looks full of energy, leaping around the savannah with that cheeky smile of his. Now here comes Nala, his best friend and partner in fun. I'm drawing her with bright eyes and playful pounces, because today she's having the best time ever playing tag with Simba. She's quick, smart, and always up for an adventure. As I color in Simba with his sunshine yellow fur and Nala with her soft tan shades, you'll see their bond come alive. I'm using bright jungle colors in the background, greens, browns, and soft skies, because it's a beautiful day in the wild. And now look, there's Timon. He's standing nearby with a big grin on his face, arms crossed, shaking his head and chuckling. These kids, he must be thinking. I love adding his tiny mohawk, round eyes, and that happy expression that says, Hakuna Matata. And Timon? I'm coloring him with sandy fur and a cheerful pink nose. He's the perfect touch to this fun little scene, like the proud uncle who's just happy to watch them grow. Remember, drawing is not just about making pictures. It's about telling stories. And today's story is all about friendship, joy, and the wild spirit of adventure. So grab your colors and draw along with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Disney animal fun right here on Zoonitoons. And always remember what Timon says. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of your days.